How to create YouTube Shorts. Creating YouTube Shorts is a great way to share engaging videos with your audience. Make sure you have the latest version of the YouTube app installed on your mobile device. Launch the YouTube app on your mobile device. Sign into your YouTube channel if you have one. If not, you can still create shorts directly from the app. Look for the plus icon at the bottom of the screen and select Create a Short. Hold the record button and keep your phone in portrait mode. Remember, shorts are meant to be vertical and up to 60 seconds long. Enhance your video by adding music from YouTube's library. No worries about copyright issues. Use the basic editing tools to trim, cut, and add text to your short video. Preview your short video and add a catchy title to attract more viewers. Click Upload to make your short video live. You can also add a description, tags, and select a thumbnail. Click Publish to make your short video available to viewers on YouTube. Share it on social media or embed it on your website. Conclusion: YouTube Shorts are quick, engaging, and easily shareable. Have fun experimenting with different ideas and formats to